大家好. Hello everyone. Want to sound more polite and respectful in Chinese? Learn these 10 different ways to say please in Mandarin with real life examples. 请 Please, basic and most common. 请坐请问现在几点？麻烦你帮我拍个照。Could you please take a photo for me? Well, I love pictures. I'm good in using this. 麻烦你帮我拍个照。拜托你了，帮我一个忙吧。劳驾，让我过一下。谢谢。请你安静一点。好吗？I'm always telling my son that. 请问一下，地铁站在哪？可不可以？你可不可以借一下手机？能不能？你能不能帮我看看这个？给我好吗？给我一杯水好吗？Can I get a glass of water, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. 打扰一下，我想问一个问题。Sorry to bother you, I want to ask for direction. Now you've got 10 different ways to say place in Mandarin. For formal, casual, and a humble way. So tell me, which one do you use the most? Please comment below. Subscribe, follow if you learned something new today. Do not forget to like and to share. Thank you. 谢谢你的观看，下次见。